Is a step-by-step process of how to create a YouTube channel and how to optimize it in such a way that it will help you build your niche, reach out to the right people, to read your analytics data, and then subsequently monetize the channel. Before I continue, or before I even start, I would like to let you know the requirement to monetize a channel is 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, and the watch hours is in the last 1 year. So what it means is that you must cumulatively get the 4,000 watch hours in the last 1 year. And for those who don't know, 4,000 watch hours is not a small milestone. It means someone watching your video 24 hours every day for 167 days. So getting the 4,000 watch hours is a big deal. It's not easy to get it. However, if you follow the right tips, some of what I'm going to show you, if I had known it at the time I was starting, I would have reached that particular requirement shorter than what it took me. For my first channel, it took me 2 years to get the to get the 4,000 watch hours. Okay, took me 2 years to get it. Then my second channel, it took me less than a year. It took me about 6 months to get it. So if you follow the procedures, you are also going to get exactly, or you cut down the time, just similar to the way my second channel went on. Now, when you come to YouTube, you will see, when you go to your left hand corner, so go to youtube.com, you go to your left hand corner, you see settings, so click on the settings. Then you will see add or manage channel, so click on add or manage channel. Now when you go to add or manage channel, if you already have any existing channel, it will show here. So you see that I have 2 existing channels and it has even marked one of them. So what it means is that currently I've logged into this one, and this one is another channel I also manage. Then if I want to create a new channel, if you want to create a new one, you just click on create channel and follow the step-by-step process to create a channel. So when you click on create channel, for example, they will ask you to put the name of the channel, then you put it, then you click on I understand, just click on the checkbox and click on create. Now after you create the channel, let me just go back one step and show you. I'm going back to manage channel, and then after you create it, you come here. I'm going to click so that we log into this channel and customize it. Or if you want, when you come here, you click on what? View your channel. It's the same thing. So when I click on this channel, it brings me to the channel login currently. Okay, so what I would say is that come to the top right, click on view your channel, then it brings you to your channel. Now when you come to the channel, you go to customize channel. Under customize channel, every channel has something called banner image. Okay, banner image, the correct dimension for it is this. And for you to know how banner image looks like, let me just show you a sample. I have several channels, so this is one of my channels. So let me show you what the banner image looks like. So this image you see at the top is what we call the banner image. So the correct dimension to be able to fit very well, if you are doing the banner image, it should be 2048 times 1152 pixels. Okay, so to be able to create that, you can just go to Canva. If you don't have a Canva account, go to Canva, and then to create a sample, you can come and click on custom size, then you put a pixel and the width here. And so those figures you see here, that's the 2048 times 1152. You put them here, and then so 2048 times 1152. 52. Then you click on create. So they will give you a template, so you follow to set up a design. So for example, if you come to the template, you see several images, or you can drag your own pictures and then do a simple design, then upload it so that you will have a banner image. So the size they are giving here fits both phone and the computer. Yeah, so follow that and then create it. Now, so you upload your banner image, come here and then put your logo, so you can change or remove your logo. Sometimes they will just use your default the default image you use for your Google account, but you can remove or change it. Then you put the name that you have chosen will be here, and then the handle, you can add the handle here, and then you can also add the description of the channel and what it does. Then if you want to add your website link, external link, so that people can follow and go to your website or Facebook page or any other link, social link, you can add it here. So for example, to add a link, just click here, add a title. So for example, if it's Facebook, I'll type here my Facebook page, then I'll put the URL here, so you can do that. Let me just show you practically. Let's say that I want to add my Facebook page, so I can copy my Facebook page, then come and put the URL here, and then put say my Facebook page, you see, and then you publish. So when someone comes, they will see my Facebook page. When they click, it will take them to my page. You can add more links. Then you put your contact email they can use to get to you. You can add your watermark, so the watermark will appear. You choose whether at the end of the video, that the entire video, whichever way you want it, you choose that. So if you do all these, first of all, you are customizing the look, how people will see your channel. Okay, so take time and then do that. After that, you come to the settings. Okay, let me come to the home tab. The home tab, you can add you can add sections. So when we say sections, so for example, you can choose maybe popular videos, live videos, past live streams, upcoming. You can create a playlist and put certain videos that you want them to show there, so that when people come to your channel, the videos will be grouped in such a way that they can choose what they want to watch. Then you come to the settings, choose your currency. So my own is US dollars. So that is, if you start making money, how much you what currency you want them to pay you. So I want US dollars. Then the channel. So when you come to the channel, we have basic info. The basic info is keywords that you want to use as your tags for your channel. So to get the keyword for your channel, it should be something that relates to what you do, what your channel primary responsibility is. My channel, one of the primary things I do is I do digital marketing and advertising restrictions. I solve them. So that is why what you can see here is Facebook ad account restricted problem solve and all that. So you choose what fits you. Then your country of residence, yeah, is very important, because when you monetize your channel, or when you're about to monetize it, they will ask you for your country and they will ask for your ID card. So you must choose a country that corresponds to where you live. Then the advanced settings. So under advanced settings, you should set whether your channel is made for kids. So the made for kids means that content that is exclusively for children, like those below 18 years. If it is not made for kids, or if it is for adult, so you choose and not set what do you call it, no, set this channel as not made for kids. Yes, you choose that one. Yeah, so then you come to you do that one, then you scroll down, you have let me just show you automatic captions. Don't show potentially inappropriate words and all that. So for these things, leave them, because we have automatic captions. So if you want if you don't want the system to sometimes show when you do your video, people can turn on automatic captions, and then when they are watching, the captions will be showing. So sometimes the captions will be some of them will not be appropriate. Then if you don't want them to show captions that may not be correct, then you can put these settings on, but you just leave that option. For automatic captions, it helps, and sometimes they may not get 100%, but it's okay. Let me just show you what I'm saying here.
In the first 8 months of the school
When
games,
people are
we've been
watching,
able to
you see what they are watching. You see when you put this one on,
help 11 other entrepreneurs to win and travel to Las Vegas as well.
That is what the automatic captions are about.
Africa will continue
I
to
put
be
it
the
on
least
here.
developed.
You see that the words are following. That is what the automatic captions are about. But for me, I will advise that you don't put these settings on, because they were just asking that. You see, as people watch automatic captions, some of them I may pronounce a word, they don't get it. The system doesn't get it well, and it may spell it wrongly. But leave it because it helps. If you turn this on, there are a lot of words that when the system cannot get it properly, they will just put it off. But it may help, because some people, if they are able to write it, caption it, so it will have helped some people. Okay, so come to future eligibility. The future eligibility, we have standard features: upload videos, create playlists, add collaborators, and all that. Then we have what? Intermediate features, videos over 15 minutes and all that. You have to, if you don't enable all these settings, you won't be able to do these things. Then advanced features: increase daily video upload and live streams. So all these are enabled. If you come here and they are not enabled, you'll be asked to enable. So some of them you will need to verify your phone number before you can access these features. So you can do it. Then we'll go to upload default. Now, upload default, under upload default, they're asking you that every day you'll be uploading videos, and sometimes it's so boring and tiring that any video you have to put a title, you have to put a description, add the various links you may want to add in the description, visibility you have to choose, then the tags. So upload defaults help you to reduce that time by putting some default settings that will apply to every video. Example, every video I always want to add my link, and then say follow the link below to get a copy of my new book, Achieving Your Greatest Dreams, and all that. So I've added it as an upload default. So any video I upload, this text will be there. So the only thing I will come and add is, you see here, the follow the steps in this video too. It's also there, but I will just now come and add the little customization that will apply to that video. So for example, if the video is about how to solve Facebook advertising restrictions, so I will now say follow the step in this video to solve Facebook advertising restriction. And most of the time, the title is what I will copy and put here, because if the title is how to solve Facebook advertising restriction, then the description will be what? Follow the steps in this video to solve Facebook advertising restriction. This may not apply to every channel, so you look at what will be appropriate to your channel and put the information here that will be your default information that will apply to your channel, because it's not every channel that the title that is here you must necessarily put it here. Most of the time, the titles, the description, you have to explain more in detail. So just make sure that those information that will apply to all the videos, you put it as the upload default. Then go to advanced settings. So under advanced setting, we have YouTube standard license, and so we have standard license, and we also have what? Creative Commons. With a standard license, what it means is that when someone download your video and upload it, YouTube will catch them for copyright, or they will cite their content for copyright, and then you'll be told to strike them or to tell them to retract and remove that content. Now, we also have the category. So the category, you choose what category your content falls under. My category falls under how to, or if I get digital marketing, yeah, I also fall under digital marketing. So either how to or digital marketing, or it can also fall under what? Technology. Yeah, so you choose whichever category fits you. Then here, the video language by default is English, United States. Then if you have any caption certification, especially those that are into music related, you can add those things here. Then select a title and then description language. So my own here, the title and the description, the language is what? English. So let me just add it, English, United States. then I'll save it. Then the content moderation, let me just go back to that. Yeah, the comments moderation, not content moderation. Comments moderation. So when you put it on, they will be a bit strict. Sometimes some scammers want to come and flood your videos with a lot of unnecessary comments. The system will be able to detect and know that someone is a scammer, and then they will not allow the person's comment to show. Then here, show how many viewers like this video. Yes, so always put it. So when you put this on, the number of people that like your video, it will show. Then you go to monetization. Under monetization, place ads during video, that is roll on ads. So if you put this on and you are monetized, they will always show ads in between sections of your video. Then you come to category, but for the monetization, there is a part where I will talk about it in detail. So for now, this is just something small about it. Go to categories, add categories. So under the add categories, say you can block ads that link to specific URL. That is certain website you don't want the advert to show. That is if you're monetized. Sensitive categories, best skin image, black magic, and those things. So for alcohol, they have by default blocked it on my channel. Then you go to general categories. There are other things that the system has already blocked them. Okay, the system, okay, these ones they have already they are showing the categories I can block, but if you have any block category to show here, there's nothing showing here. So all these are potential I can block depending on what I don't like, but for now I'm leaving everything on. Then you go to permissions. So here, if you want to add an administrator to your account, you can add a person here. Then you also go to community. So community, if you want to add someone to manage your comments for you and all that, you can add here. So you see hidden users. All these users have been hidden by YouTube for me. There are people who have been commenting a lot of spammy messages and all that. Then we have default comments on your channel. As I said earlier, the comment moderation is on. Channel guidelines. Welcome. If I want to add a welcome message, so you say welcome people to your channel and invite them to join the conversation. Write guideline for people to follow when posting comment or live chat. So sometimes you come to a channel, a live chat, and you see that they always write that try to be decent when you are commenting here, or inappropriate messages or messages that are harsh or hate speech will be removed. So that one you can put something like that to let people know the guidelines they should follow when commenting on your channel. Then the last one, agreement. So these ones, the agreements are relating to if your channel is monetized, or if you are yet to monetize. They will show all the agreements here. For here, I've already agreed to all the we have the YouTube partner program. That is if you want to monetize your channel, that is the YouTube partner program. YouTube partner program shows monetization model, I've agreed to it. YouTube partner program watch paid monetization model, I've agreed to them. If you haven't agreed, they will show you and ask you to agree to them, and then you agree. But these ones you must meet the requirement before you can monetize. Yeah, so if you follow all that, you will have set up your channel and everything, information that your channel, that is just customizing your channel to be able to now start making content. So this is just the part one of creating and customizing your channel. In the part two, we will now go deep into how to we'll look at the basics that you need, how to select your niche, how to video ideas, how to create and upload content, how to analyze it with video, YouTube growth tools like vidIQ and others. So we'll go into that in part two. If you have any problem after watching this, you can reach out to me and let me know the problems that you have, and I can help you resolve them.